So, I've had my fair share with Bluetti. Nakita nyo naman sa mga camping videos namin, we tried the Bluetti AC2A, yun yung maliit. And then we got the Bluetti. And this time, Bluetti has sent me, or has sent us, this one, has sent me the, oh man, this is big. Hope it's in frame. Oh, Bluetti AC180. At may capable net. So this is by far the biggest Bluetti that we own.
Hindi nakikita yung mukha mo.
Pag ganyan.
Sige pa.
Right. Since ito yung pinakamalaki na Bluetti na meron sa amin, ito yung, syempre, obviously, ito yung pinakamabigat. With a weight of 16 kilos. Hindi ko sure kung paano madadala to when going moto camping. Okay, this one has a 1800 watts na max na wattage na pwede mong saksakan or pwede mong isaksak sa kanya. With the powerlifting mode on, pwede siyang sumagad ng 2700 or 2700 wattage. So meaning, pwede ka magsaksak dito ng mini fridge, ng mini TV, ng computer or blender, hair dryer, ano ba bang malalakas ng kuryente? Plancha, wala mang kaya. Well, before mag-plug kayo dito ng mga ganun, I recommend na tingnan nyo muna kung ilang wattage yung appliances niya. So, since I am a motovlogger on this channel, in order to incorporate this with motorcycle, and incorporate this with this bike right here, yun yung pakita, yung ADV 160 Lastog, in a way of power washing it. Magsasaksak ako ng power wash dito sa Bluetti 180. Ang gate is 1200 or 1200 watts. So, pasok na pasok siya doon sa limit range ng wattage na pwede mong isaksak dito. And in addition to the power wash, the way I drive my bike is through with a blower. So ito rin sasaksak ko rito, itong 600 watts na Stanley. Sa mga nagtatanong sa inyo kung anong gamit kong pang dryer ng motor ko. So just to give you an idea on the size, my assistant here. Ito yung AC2A. So ito naman yung assistant. Yeah, like I said, 16 kilo. Oh. Ay, collected pala. Size difference of the AC180. And ito, kaya mong buhatin ng isang kamay. Pero ito, kaya naman. Pero, hawakan mo na isang oras so mag-burn ka ng 3,000 calories. So, let's give it a try. Car wash, motor, and blower. All will be powered by the AC180.
Wait, may ano siya, baby?
Lahat may ganyan.
Wireless charging?
Before we proceed, so lang pakita sa inyo na it is 100%. Then we'll see kung ilan ang makukonsume niya. Motor mo na naman hinuhugasan ko.
Hindi ko naman ginamit yan. Bakit hinuhugasan mo?
500 watts. Ito pala mga toto, hindi ako gumagamit ng basahan or anything when it comes to drying up the motorcycle after a car wash. Fully, ito ginagamit ko, my Stanley. Bitin! Pakita mo yung wire. Pakita mo yung wire na nakasaksak dyan. Ayan, just to demo. Na ito talaga yung ginagamit. Fully dry na. So let's see. Ilang minutes ba ako nag-car wash? Siguro yung car wash ko na with the water pressure washer, about 10 minutes, no? Na bugahan. Ito pinakamatagal. Itong blower, which lasted me like 15-20 minutes. And let's see how many is left. From 100 down to 84. If you're planning on using this to wash your bikes, the 100% na ano neto, charge neto, easily give you what? 4 bikes na hugasan bago siya maglobat. Pero huwag ka na gamit yan, mag-extension ka na lang.
May proposal ako.
So anyway,
Pwede yung 80% pang camping natin.
anyway,
Please?
hindi lang pang-camping ang Blue Yeti mga toto, just to show you. Hindi lang
Yung 84% pang camping na lang.
Hindi ka lang naririnig.
No.
Naka-mic ako. It's only,
Hello? Yung 84% sa camping na lang,
so,
please.
hindi lang siya pang-camping mga katoto. You can use it around the house. Especially if you're in a electric or power outage, mga lugar na lagi nagba-brown out. Ba tayo pwedeng saksak dyan? Like,
Solano, lagi nagba-brown out doon.
Oh,
Konting
doon.
kulog brown out agad.
yeah, pag
Bagay doon.
kumulimlim lang doon, brown out na. Anyway, the Blue Yeti is AC180. O, tingnan ko, car wash pa ako ng isang motor. And let's see kung hanggang saan to.
Hey, no, that's for camping, baby.
Let's go. %. So that concludes the video of the AC180 total usage. 73% is left. So ilan yun? Thank you Blue Yeti Philippines for letting me try again this Blue Yeti, and it's a big thumbs up for me. Much more if we're gonna go moto camping or camping.
Yay! What?
Imagine how many gadgets will be charged and used all throughout the night.
Kahit 2 nights ka.
So yun lang mga toto. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one
73%
For
for
the-
2 nights, baby.
for the views.
Baby, come on, baby.
Baboosh!
Listen to me, baby.